Amy here with AJ's Vintage Designs, and I'm working on a little table. I've done the stencil before, multicolors, as you can see all the colors that are on it. I've done the stencil before, and people have asked me how I got that look of like a mandala, but kind of tie-dye different colors. So I figured I was gonna do this, I'll videotape it for you. I'm gonna put this in the middle. This table I painted in Farmhouse Green from Dixie Belle. And I need to stand up so I can eyeball, make sure this is centered. Okay, so I have the stencil taped down. I have it centered. I measured off to make sure it's centered, and it's got the tape on to hold it in place. So what I'm going to do is I just grabbed a bunch of colors. Stuff that went with this Farm Fresh Green. I've got some blueberry. So I have blueberry, I have peony, Bunker Hill Blue, Fluff, Peacock, and Mermaid Tail. And so I've just got a little bit of everything. And these are my favorite things to use for the stenciling. I like to use these kind of little pouncers. I prefer the smaller ones, but I'm out, so I have to use a big one too. I'll zoom in. Okay, so I have my little pouncers, and I'm gonna start off with the center. I think I wanna do, I'm just gonna hit it random, wherever. So I'm just gonna pick some spots where I might want some white. So I have just a little bit of paint on my sponge applicator, just a little bit of paint on it, sponge it on. And I'm getting that tie-dye look, so there's like no rhyme or reason. But right now I'm just going everywhere where I think I might want white. And just kind of, I went a little thick. That might have went under my stencil right there. I try to keep it uniform, so if I do it on one side, I try to do it on the other so it stays uniform. And I'm gonna pounce off so I don't have so much paint on my pouncer. Okay. And get paint on it and then pounce it off. I'm gonna check. I think I might have had too much paint on my, oh, not too bad. Take some of it off there. Okay, so I kind of got white randomly throughout. Put some little bit of white on the tips here. So that's a tip in between. Okay, now I'm gonna switch colors. Now, I think I'm gonna do, okay, now I'm gonna switch colors. I think I'm gonna do some pink in the center. I'll do all my pink areas now. Get some peony on there, peony pink. And pick some random spots around there where I want the pink to show up. And let me see, I'll do these little things in pink. Since I'm going for the kind of like that tie-dye look, my colors don't even have to actually go together. You can go with any leftover paint that you got. I just grab some random colors because I'm waiting for I'm doing a patina project right now, so I'm waiting for the patina project to dry. So I figured I would do this because I had a few questions. I've done this specific stencil on my sunset piece. I did it on the top, and then a pair of nightstands that I just sold did that on the top of that as well. And I had a few people ask me where I got the stencil. To be honest with you, I don't remember where I got the stencil. I might have got, oh, this says Waverly, so this one I got at Walmart. And because I get some stencils from Dixie Belle, and then some I come across just on clearance in other places. But this one is Waverly, so this one would be from Walmart. Okay, so got some pink randomly out throughout there. Now, I'm gonna switch daubers. I'm gonna switch and use a different dauber for the blues. So I'm gonna do my Peacock now. And pick some areas for the Peacock. Let's do the Peacock this color, or here. Okay, now I'm gonna try, get all the paint off there, and I'm gonna do the Mermaid Tail, which is more of a green. And I think I'll do the Mermaid Tail right next to the pink. Now, let's try some blueberry. Blueberry is kind of like a lavender. I only have a big one left. I'm a little nervous to use such a big one. I'm just gonna put it on the corner of it. So I'm only using a portion of it since it's so big. Go back over some of my pink areas. And now I got pink, and I'm gonna put a little bit of blue together side by side so that I can get some like blending of some of these open areas. we go. I don't wash my stencils either. I just let them dry and then I'll hang them on my wall. But yeah, here it is. I will top coat this. I'm gonna do some more designs on it, but I just wanted to show you how to do that little tie-dye mandala stencil look. As you can see here. Now, on some pieces, I could have used the Dixie Belle mud and made a raised stencil, but since this is a table, I didn't want to have it raised on this specific table. So, because I might be putting this outside, I might seal it with gator hide and make this an outdoor table. But I just wanted to show you how to do the stencil with multicolors, you know, to kind of get that tie-dye look. And there we go. Okay, well, this is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs with another quick project, just stenciling using multiple colors and getting that tie-dye look. So until next time, I hope you have a great day.